Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on a Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Right here try to find Google Classroom. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Click on Get Started, choose different accounts for your classroom. Press on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code right here, and after doing so, select Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.